Hello guys, so we're gonna make a video about fake fire alarm 10 or 11, maybe 10. Okay, so we have this arrowed lift and pull station, and here we have the horn, the super fine full horn, and here we have the what you call it, the fire alerting, and it's a super fine pull station. As you may know, let me pause this video. Okay, I paused. Now, got my keys. Yes, keys. And let me just pull the pull station. It's at the baby. Okay, it's all unactivated. So thanks for watching, guys. So see you in the next video, and bye. And I don't want to forget, peace out.